Hello and welcome to yet another video by LongShot AI. Now in this video we'll be going to write an article about 5 best smartwatches to buy in India in 2022. Now so we have skipped the phases of research, headline generation, outline generation, and we are straight away going to write the article. So the first thing we do is we select a relevant niche, and since we're talking about smartwatches, we're going to talk about technology. So let me choose the niche and here we go. So the first thing we do, we generate intro. Okay, I think this is a good time to end the introduction. In this article, we'll be looking at let me copy this and paste it over here. Looking at the 5 best smartwatches to buy in India in 2022. Let me check. Okay, so let's write the article, copy this bit, and I'll ask the AI to create a list. Let's see what are the watches which the AI recommends. Okay, so it has recommended 5 watches, smartwatches. So what I can do is, let me select this. So I've selected Apple Watch Series 4. I'll come over here and so I'll select this bit. I'll ask the AI to create some questions. So basically the FAQs will be, as you'll see, will be the components of our research. So we'll talk about the dimensions. Maybe if you want to write it once more, we can ask the AI to generate some more FAQs. Of course, there will be some common ones, so we delete the common questions. Okay, we take them one by one. We'll answer each of these questions, but before that, let me select the keyword and press H4. So I'm taking it straight to H4 just to generate the intro. You can do it with H2 tag as well, so there's nothing fixed about it. Okay, I'll ask the AI to write a bit more. Let's see what comes up. Okay, I think this much information is pretty good. What I'll do is I'll answer the questions. What are the features? New features. So what we'll do, we'll bring a cursor over here and we'll write more. We'll instruct the AI to generate text from over here. So it'll look at the question and it will generate the answer. Okay, write some more. Okay, so what we can do now is I'll remove this bit and this bit and new features. So this is like a component, right? So I'll put in, okay, looks clean, right? Oh, my bad. Okay, once more. Okay, looks crisp. So how much does the Apple Watch Series 4 cost? Again, write more. So the AI will look at this question and We'll try to generate an answer. It will suggest something. Okay, this is not accurate. Let me ask it this way. Cost in India. Make it specific. Okay. So again, we go back. Let me try this. Okay, cost. Right, so we select this and here we go. What is the size? Let's see if the AI can answer this question. Write more. Let's see. Okay, write some more. Okay, so I'll remove this bit. What size? I'll go back. Okay, this worked well. Size. Again, make it bold. Operating system and processor. Again, simple thing. It has already produced the results. We take it over here. Operating system. Okay. So what colors are available? Let's answer that. Okay, we have our answer. Colors. And just bring it right here. Okay, colors. Availability. Which bands are compatible? Okay, let's see if the AI can answer that. So answering these questions also, it's like a template for these other smartwatches as well. So we basically need to replicate what we have already done, right? Okay. Band compatibility. Okay. What are the technical specifications? Let's answer this. Actually, now I'll answer all these questions and I'll format them together. I think this is already answered. So let's leave this question out. How do I upgrade to? Let's see what the AI answers over here. Okay, place the cursor and then ask the AI to write more. Okay, it's like a stupid question begs in stupid answer, so the question was not that good. Anyhow, we go to the next question. Dimensions, that this bit is already covered. Colors is covered. New features is covered. Cost is covered, right? Yeah, cost is covered. Battery life, now that's an important question. Battery life is always something which is very important when you're using a device like a smartwatch. Very good. Let's see if there's some more information to be added. Okay, so I'll just update this bit. Battery life and take it back. Battery life we have over here. Let's just drop this question. Then which wireless carrier support? How do I update my software? I'm not sure these two questions are relevant as well. So we have covered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 parameters. Now this is pretty much repetition for these others smartwatches as well. So we can do the same thing for other smartwatches. The idea is pretty simple. Just select the keyword we have over here, generate intro, then use the FAQ feature and answer these questions. So that way we can write an article, something like this, similar articles. And I believe that is pretty much all about the video. And if you enjoyed watching this video, give us a like and maybe subscribe while you're at it. Meanwhile, we'll be back with some more videos in future. So take care and stay safe.